Hi everyone, we are here with a brand new video. In this video I will explain how to set up a password for your account in Windows 10. If you are ready, let's start. The desktop screen of Windows 10 that you see on the screen right now. First, I right click on the Windows icon at the bottom left. From here I go to the settings section. I enter the account section from the Windows that opens. We come to the sign in option section from the left column, sign in option, and I run the password part from here, and now I say add. Here I am writing the password that I will use to turn on the computer twice. In the last part, I write a hint to help when I forget the password. I complete it by saying forward and finish. Now, when you restart your computer, it will ask you for a password. That's all. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.